Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Landbank Mobile Banking App, also known as MBA. Whether you want to check your balance, transfer money, or use the new MobiLock feature to protect your ATM card, I'll walk you through everything step by step. First, open the Landbank Mobile Banking app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once it's installed, open the app and log in using your username and password. If it's your first time, you'll need to register your account. Just follow the on-screen instructions and verify your identity using your card details and OTP sent to your registered mobile number. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard. Here, you can view your account balance, recent transactions, and other quick access features. To transfer money, simply tap on Fund Transfer, then choose whether you want to send money to another Landbank account or to another bank through InstaPay or PESONet. Enter the account details, the amount, and your notes if needed. Double-check everything, then confirm the transaction. You'll receive an OTP. Enter it to complete the transfer, and that's it. Your transaction receipt will appear right away. Now let's talk about one of the app's most useful security features, MobiLock. This lets you instantly lock or unlock your ATM card to protect it from unauthorized use. To use MobiLock, tap on More at the bottom of the screen, then choose MobiLock. You'll see all your enrolled accounts with ATM cards. Select the account you want to manage, and you'll have the option to lock or unlock your card for domestic or international use, or both. Just toggle the switch depending on what you need, then tap Submit. Review your choices, and once you confirm, your changes take effect immediately. You can also pay bills, buy prepaid load, and check your transaction history directly in the app. Everything is simple and secure. Just make sure you always log out after using the app and never share your login credentials with anyone. And that's it! You now know how to use the Landbank Mobile Banking app. From checking balances and transferring funds to securing your ATM card with MobiLock. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful banking tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.